A big shout out to all the subscribers of this YouTube channel, Leading Forex. I must say, I appreciate your love and the fact that you're helping this community to grow. God bless you. To all those of you who have subscribed to this channel. I know gradually we're getting closer to hitting 1K, but in no time, with your support, I'm sure this channel will grow to even hit the 50Ks and the 100Ks other people are getting. My name is Kofi. I am your admin of Leading Forex YouTube channel and also Leading Forex Telegram page and Leading Forex Facebook page. I always do what we call weekly forecast, looking at the projections into the next week's market. So at every weekends, we meet here to discuss possible moves, possible forecast, possible trends in the market. So today being Sunday, 18th April, the year 2021, I am sure you are ready for my forecast today. Now, I must say that if this is your first time of meeting us, then you are welcome. This is Leading Forex YouTube channel. And if you want to have one-on-one contact with me for maybe mentorship or some questions, or maybe you have something bothering you about Forex and you want to ask me, you can contact me. So on Telegram, you can reach me at Kofi Dollar on Telegram. And you can also send me an email, leadingforexgh@gmail.com. And then on phone, you can reach out to me on this number, +233 246 136609. And then on WhatsApp, you can reach me on the same number, +233 246 136609. So by WhatsApp or any other means, you may reach out to me. I'll be available to help or assist you. If it's on one-on-one mentorship, let's discuss it and see how best we can help ourselves. Is that okay? Good. Now, let's move straight into today's forecast. Okay? We're moving straight into this week's forecast. And this week, I have some two currency pairs I would like us to look at. And one of them is EURJPY. EURJPY. But before then, let's look at last week's forecast. Last week, I gave a forecast of GBP chef for a buy. Yes. And this is the pair, as you can see. I gave a forecast of this pair last week. Now, what are we all seeing? Last week, if you remember, GBP chef was sitting at a price of 1.2660 thereabout. 1.26660. That was 660. 1.26660. So that was the price of GBP chef last week when we were given this forecast. And I said that GBP chef was going to go for a buy. So if you look at the current price GBP chef is sitting right now, GBP chef is sitting at a price of 1.2730. 1.2730. So from 1.26660 to 1.2730 means that GBP chef has made 70 pips in our favor of the forecast we gave. So if you bought GBP chef, you would have made 70 pips. Now let's look at the downside. If we entered that price at 1.226 then it means, yes, then it means this trade only went down about 42 or 40, let's say 42 pips. Yes. This trade only went down about 42 pips, 42 pips. So if you remember, I asked you to give it a stop loss of 100 and target 100. So if you did, you would have gotten 70 pips at the close of the week. Is that okay? So you would have never lost this trade. You would have gained some 70 pips profit. Is that okay? I'm even sure it went more than, if I want to look at the higher this pair went last week, the higher it went was 1.2748. 1.2748. So almost 80 pips thereabout. So that is that. So this was our forecast for last week. You would have made 70 pips minimum, if I should put it. Yes, 70 pips minimum would have been your profit for the week. Now, in this week, I have these two currency pairs I would like us to look at, and that is EURJPY. This is on daily time frame. And if you look at what is happening currently on EURJPY, for the past few days, EURJPY has been consolidating. If you look at this angle here, this is on daily time frame. And if you look at this, where I have circled for the past how many days? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 days. For the past 11 days, EURJPY has been on consolidation. It's not actually giving a clear direction. And if you look at the general picture of this pair, the general picture is what I would say a buy. The general picture is a buy. Is that okay? The general picture is a buy. But if you look at it from what I'm seeing, if you look at it, let me zoom in a bit. You see the general picture is a buy. But from where I'm seeing, the momentum for the buyers is beginning to slow down. There is no much momentum for the buyers anymore. That is how come for the past 11 days, this trade has been on consolidation. So we are looking for a possible reversal for this pair. That is what we are looking at, a possible reversal downwards for this pair. A possible reversal downwards for this pair, because the upward momentum is kind of being exhausted. So if that is what the case is, then that is going to be one of our pairs to look out for in this week. So EURJPY, if I switch to maybe the 1 hour time frame, okay, this is the 1 hour time frame. So if we switch to the 1 hour time frame, the current price is 130.339. 130.339. And if you want to give it a try by putting this on demo again, maybe this is your first time of meeting us on this channel, I would like you to try this on demo, okay? So if you want to try this on demo, like I always advise, then I will ask you to put your stop loss just above the peak of this market. Is that going to be the peak? Yes. So the peak of it is going to be here. Let me see. The peak of it is going to be here. So let's give it a benefit of doubt and go a little bit up like this. So this is going to be your stop loss. So let's assume our stop loss is a price of 130. So 130.705, 130.75. That is going to be your stop loss. So you are risking about 40 pips. So let's assume you are risking just 50 pips. So if we are to risk 50 pips, then 1.30, it's going to be 1.83. So 83. So if you are to risk 50 pips, then your stop loss is going to be 130.839. Okay, we are risking 50 pips for this trade. All right, EURJPY, we are risking 50 pips for it. So our stop loss is going to be, let me just give you the figures, 130 points. So 130.837. So our stop loss is going to be 130.837. That is our stop loss. Is that okay? Good. Now, what is going to be our TP? So if we are targeting 50 pips stop loss, let's target 100 pips TP. So in this coming week, we are looking forward to sell EURJPY. We are looking forward to sell. Is that okay? We want to short it. We want to sell it. That is also a short. So if you say you are shorting the market, I want to go short. That means you want to sell. Okay. If you want to put, once you put means you want to buy. So we are either putting or shorting, but here we are going to sell EURJPY. I'm just trying to explain the terms involved in this forex market. Is that okay? So if our stop loss is 130.837, our TP, looking at the current price is 130.339. So if that is our current price, then it means our TP is going to be 129.339. So this is going to be our TP, 129.339. So EURJPY this week, we are looking for a sell with a TP of 100 pips, and that is at a price of 129.339. Is that okay? Now, if you love what we're doing right here, I will suggest and plead with you to subscribe and also like this video, comment, leave a comment. Whatever you want to say about this video, leave a comment, okay? That is the way to actually help this community to grow, all right? Now, quickly, let's go for our second pair for the week. Our second pair for the week is going to be EURUSD. EURUSD. So on daily time frame, this is EURUSD. And if you can really see what is happening with EURUSD on daily time frame, you will see that this has been on the sell side. This has been on the sell side. That is EURUSD. Okay. Now, the current price of EURUSD is hitting a very strong resistance level here. We're experiencing a very strong resistance level here. And that is where the current price is. Is that okay? Maybe let me zoom out so that you can see it well. Okay. I'm zooming out so that you can see it well. Now, with the zoom out, you will see that EURUSD is on a very strong support at this level. That is where the price is currently hitting. And when you look at the general structure of EURUSD, it's a sell. Is that okay? The general structure is a sell. So we are looking forward to sell EURUSD from this point. Okay. The weather is kind of threatening to rain here in Ghana. So the wind blowing is so high. So pardon me for the background noise. It's kind of blowing. Very windy weather here in Ghana because it's threatening to rain. So pardon me for the background noise. Is that okay? Now, let me quickly end this video. Okay? EURUSD, we are looking to sell. And just like I said, the price of EURUSD currently is 1.19804. This is the current price of EURUSD. So if we are to sell, let's give it a risk of a stop loss of 50 pips. Is that okay? Let's give it a stop loss of 50 pips. So with a stop loss of 50 pips, that will be 1 to 1.204. So this is going to be our stop loss. So our stop loss is going to be 1.20304. That is a stop loss of 50 pips. Is that okay? And then, as usual, we're going to target 100 pips. Is that okay? So if we are targeting 100 pips, then, oh my God, the weather is seriously threatening here. Now, let me just come with a TP and then we end. Wow. Wow. The wind is actually blowing heavy here. Now, the TP we are looking for is going to be 100 pips. So the 100 pips TP is going to be 1.188804. So this is going to be our TP. Our TP is going to be 1.18804. So we're going to sell Euro USD and then EURJPY. Thank you for watching. This is what we're going to do this week. So let's put this on demo and see how the market goes. I'll see you in the course of the week. We have a Telegram page. Just go to the description of this video and then join our Telegram page and let's continue from there. I'll see you in the course of the week on our Telegram page. Until then, take care. And sorry for the background noise. Like I said, the weather is threatening to rain. So sorry for the background noise. We'll meet again in our next video. Until then, please take very good care of yourself. I'll see you in our next video.